Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing a highly requested update on how the Poly Tea spray held up on our t-shirt. So if you don't know what video I'm talking about, I'm going to go ahead and link it in the card so you can watch that first, and now you can have the updated version. It has been 2 months. I know, y'all, 2 months. I said I was going to be a week of washes, but I ended up washing it for 2 whole months, and I did a lot of washes. I wanted to really put this thing to the test, and we've been super busy, and there has been so much going on, so that is why I couldn't get to this video until today. But it is here, and we're going to talk about the results, and I'm going to share a couple clips with you too. I put a couple of clips of me washing it just to kind of show you how, if it faded throughout each wash and different things like that. And I do want to say again, this video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Poly Tea or the brand or anything like that. This is just an experiment that I wanted to do on my own. So my opinion is 100% my opinion, and this is my 100% results from the product. So I definitely wanted to mention that. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get to the results, okay? So this is the shirt after 2 months of washes. And honestly, y'all, I think it held up really well. I think it, for something that is on 100% cotton, this is not 80% cotton, this is not anything less than that, I think it did really well. And I mean, you can be the judge of that. But let's go ahead and insert the clips so you can see kind of how it faded. It did fade slightly, of course. I mean, regular sublimation is going to fade a little bit after it washes as well. But let's go ahead and insert those clips right now so you can kind of see how it withheld those washes. So as you can see, this is the shirt today. If you look really closely, you can see there's some spots that are a little bit more faded than others, but I would wear it. I mean, I would wear this. This is not like significant to me. Now, a lot of people are like, would you sell products with this? Honestly, I don't know, you guys. Like, that's completely up to you and your discretion if you want to go ahead and sell with that product on it or not. I think, if me personally, I would definitely utilize it for my children's things and personal things, at least for right now, so I can test it a little bit more. But safe to say, like I said, y'all, I really put this thing to the test. This is a... what shirt is this? It's a Bella Canvas 100% cotton shirt that I got from Michael's, and I really put it to the test, and I washed it for 2 months, and I think it looks pretty good. So completely up to you. I did go ahead and make a couple other shirts using this spray. So I made my daughter's first day of school shirt because we were scrambling and I was trying to get like a first day of shirt done, and I didn't have any 100% polyester shirts available. So I found one of her regular white cotton t-shirts and I made her a shirt, and I'll go ahead and insert those clips now of the shirt that I made for her. So I've had so much fun getting to test out that product and just kind of see what results we have. And like I said, I'm sorry you guys that it took so long to get those results in, but life and business and everything just got a little chaotic, but we're back on track. I am going to be pre-filming a bunch of videos today for you guys and hopefully getting them kind of trickled out over the next several weeks. So I'm really excited to just kind of get back in the swing of the videos for you guys, and so many holiday things are planned and coming up soon. Can't wait to share all that with y'all, and there might be some daily videos coming as well for holiday stuff. So stay tuned for that. I'm kind of have some plans in the works for that too, and I cannot wait to just share everything with you guys. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it and you thought the experiment was really fun and you want to see more experiments like this, give it a thumbs up. So let me know down in the comments, what experiments do you guys want to see next? Because I really like doing these types of videos, just like going and buying things and testing them out for you guys, so you don't have to test them out and you can just watch the video and kind of figure it out for yourself if you want to use the product or not. So let me know down in the comments what y'all want me to try out, and we will definitely be doing that. So that was so much fun, you guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We have lots of fun videos coming soon. No more breaks, you guys. Well, I say it was a break, but really things were absolutely crazy. But definitely going to be consistent with videos from here on out. I know it was like a whole month that I did not post a video, which was a really long time for me. So stay tuned for the next one, which is coming very soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.